Not everything that's old needs to be made new to have new life. This Ritchey Ascent mountain bike frame is a perfect example of such a thing. I picked this bike up at a local shop called the Salt Lake Bicycle Collective. It's a non-profit bike shop that takes donations, fixes up those that can to help fund the shop and the service. You can go there actually and fix your own bike, use the tools, and contribute to the community. A lot of the bikes also that are donated end up being given to others who need a bike. You can also take lessons there, find all kinds of spare parts, and awesome vintage bike frames like this one. When I saw this one, I had to have it. I love Ritchey bikes. In my mind, they're iconic for mountain biking in general. Tom Ritchey, as I've talked about in at least one other video, was a pioneer. So I have just a couple goals with this build. First, to source as many parts as I can from the Salt Lake Bicycle Collective. And I did that. The only things that I provided was an old beat up seat for this, the brake levers, new cables and housing, and a rear cassette. The rest all came from the Bicycle Collective, including Ritchey pedals to go with this Ritchey bike. The second goal was I wanted to run this tubeless. So the rims I chose had to be able to work as tubeless rims, which means I needed double-walled rims with Presta valves. And the folks at the Bicycle Collective were very helpful, and I was able to find everything I needed. I highly recommend it if you're in the Salt Lake area and want to find something awesome to do a build with. So sit back and enjoy this build. So as I wrap this bike up, I want to thank again spray.bike for all that they've done for me on this channel. I used the spray.bike frame builder's wax on this to provide a protective coating on the paint, to polish it up a little bit also. Since I've left it a little rusty, I'm hoping that this will help protect those bare metal spots that I cleaned up. Also, I really like how this bike ended up. I love the way it felt when I rode it today, and I don't think I'm done with it. I think I'm gonna do a little more. So, look for opportunities to give those old things new life. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Ciao.